Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to discuss and today we are going to share each and everything regarding BTC halving. What is going to happen in the market and in near future, what will be the price of one Bitcoin, one BTC. So it is your time to learn about BTC halving because I am going to share each and everything regarding the halving of BTC 2020. Before moving on, kindly do subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. So what is basically BTC halving? Here you can see after every 210,000 blocks, Bitcoin goes through a process called halving. This mechanism was integrated into the protocol by Satoshi Nakamoto himself. After a protocol goes through halving, it cuts the supply of new Bitcoins in half, halving the miners block, the production rewards as well. Have you got this? Seriously, I don't. Basically, I will tell you a simple example. The simple example is like this. For example, you are working at one place for 8 hours every day, and they are going to give you a salary of 1000. Okay, you can say the per month. Okay, they are going to give you $1000 per month. But the thing is this: after halving, for example, you have to work for 8 hours, but they are going to give you only and only $500. So same thing is basically the halving. For example, the miners who basically mine BTC Bitcoin, for example, if they are getting in 8 hours, for example, they are getting in 8 hours, for example, 1 BTC as a reward, but now after the halving, they are going to get only and only 0.5 BTC. It means half of the reward will basically cut off after the halving. That is the simple explanation of BTC halving. In 2009, basically reward of the per block is, you can say, the 50 BTC. 50 BTC made in only and only 10 minutes. Seriously? Only in 10 minutes? Where was I? Anyways, but after every 4 years, the block reward by reduced by half. I mean to say, for example, in 2009, if you basically do the mining, you got the reward of 50 BTC, but in 2013, you will get the reward of only and only 25 BTC. For example, so it is basically like this. Basically, Satoshi Nakamoto designed the whole, you can say, theme of this Bitcoin BTC, that after every 4 years, basically the reward will cut down, half of the reward basically cut down. By that one, the price of BTC will definitely increase. The basic reason behind the increase of the price is this, that whenever miners do the same thing, okay, for example, I am a miner, I am working 8 hours per day and I am going to make 1 BTC, but now I have to work 8 hours, but I will mine only and only 0.5 BTC. Any electricity which I am using for 8 hours, I have to use that one electricity to make 1 BTC. At that time, basically I need 16 hours electricity to produce 1 BTC. So that is the key factor, that at this time when basically the block reward will reduce halfly, so definitely the price of BTC will increase, because the thing is this: miners have to pay more money for the mining of BTC. That is the key factor. Here you can also see miner basically perspectives on Bitcoin halving 2020, part 1 of a new broadcast series. Here you can see each and everything. In about 40 days, the world's first and largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, BTC Bitcoin, will undergo a pre-programmed block reward reduction known as the halving. Basically, every 4 years, Bitcoin's blocks, the main blocks of that one BTC, basically rewards cut by 50% to prevent the currency inflation. Here you can see one thing. For example, we can go like a vice versa. For example, if after every 4 years the BTC, you can say, main halving will increase. For example, we will go like this, that for example you are going to get the 50 BTC in 2009 and in 2013. for example you do the mining, so you will get 100 BTC, then definitely the price of BTC will go down day by day. But with this phenomenon, with the cutting price, the half of the cutting price for the miners, you can say reward, then definitely the price will increase of BTC. Here you can also see okay, here basically they tell us each and everything regarding the halving. Basically what at this time I am telling you, at this time in fact you can see 210,000 blocks which will occur approximately every 4 years. After after you can say every 4 years, basically 210,000 blocks basically at that time cover up. So it means, for example, in 2009 you purchased at $1 at that time. For example, the price basically you give for the 10 BTC only $1, and then in 2017 you are going to pay $1, but there at that time you are going to get only 1 BTC. It means every year whenever the halving will occur, definitely the price of BTC Bitcoin will definitely increase. Here you can also see the past halving in review. Here you can see each and everything. The block reward halving of BTC has long been touted as an optimistic factor to drive the short-term price trend of BTC in the first half of 2020. Historical data, however, shows that the halving does not necessarily basically coincide with an immediate upsurge in the price of Bitcoin. But as per my recommendation, definitely the price will increase, because as I'm telling you a very simple phenomenon. For example, you are making the BTC in 8 hours. Now you have to pay the double electricity and you have to take your double time. For example, you have to work for 2 days for 1 BTC. So definitely the miners will increase the price of BTC. So you can very soon at this time in maximum 40 days you will be able to see a very good uptrend on the Bitcoin price. And here basically the signals are going to start. Here you can see at this time it basically increased at 0.72%, and at this time, at the time of the making of the video, the price of 1 BTC is 6,792, and the main dominance of the BTC is 65.1. So definitely it will increase up to 73% to 75% very soon. You can see in the coin market cap that everything is going to change very soon. So definitely if you have BTC in your pocket, in your wallet, so you just have to hold that one for next about 40 days. So definitely you are going to see the price up to 12,000 to 14,000. Seriously, you can see this one thing. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. And also do me a simple favor, if you are new and listening my voice first time, kindly do me a favor and please subscribe me on my all social media. Thanks a lot.